Right, so rationalize the third. I need some focus here. Much better. All right, so we are rationalizing the third. So this is how we do this. Now we first need a fraction. So we have 1 over square root 2, for example. We need to rationalize the denominator because we do not like the third at the denominator for some reason, which not a topic to discuss here. So we get to change it. So to remove this, we need to multiply this by, we need to multiply a fraction, the denominator, by root 2. However, we cannot just divide it, multiply by root 2 because it's changed the value. So what we're going to do is we multiply the other one here. So this bit is actually a 1. It doesn't change the value, but it will change the look of it. So now, 1 times root 2 is root 2, and then 2 times 2, root 2 times root 2 is 2. Therefore, we will have a rationalized denominator. But you may ask, numerator? We don't care. So how are we going to get through with the rationalized denominator? Right. However, things are not as good as how we planned. So we will have something weird here. So we have square root 45. Definitely, if you want a big calculation, we can multiply this by 45 and this by 45 as well. However, that will make us to have force us to work with big numbers. So I am not liking this. So we would do is cross that out. Still the same question. What we'll do is we rationalize, we simplify the square 45 first. So that will become 45, 9 times 5. So we will have 2, 3 root 5 here. Now we can multiply this by root 5 and the numerator and root 5 at the denominator. Again, still multiply by 1. But then this is gone. So we have 2 times root 5 over 3 times 5. Right? And then we'll have 2 root 5 over 15 as the answer. If you could cancel anything, do so. Otherwise, I'll be happy. So this is how we rationalize the denominator of the... I rationalize the denominator with third. One more, then we will finish the unit. So this time we combine everything together. So 5 root 2 minus 5, 3 root 2. Ooh, exciting. So now I have a problem here. I cannot do any addition or taking away subtraction yet because we need to do something with the, we need to do something with the denominator. It's not the same. So what I'll do is I change it to become the same one. So I got 5 root 2 and the LCM of those is 5 times 3 times root 2. Yeah. So this bit missing a 3. So I got 8 times 3. And this side missing a 2, so 25 over 5 times 3 times root 2. So now I got 24 minus 25 over 5 times 3 times root 2 still. Now I got 1 over 5 times 3 times root 2. I need to remove this one. So multiply the whole fraction by root 2. So this become a 2. So I got root 2 over 5 times 3 times 2. Remember, it's 5 times 3 times 2. It's 30, not 10. So we got root 2. Can't see now. Root 2 over 15 here, and that will be the answer. So don't get tricked by a complicated question with a fraction. We do the same thing as we do. And that's it for third. Thank you.